Hey there, future chemists! Ready to master the art of titration? Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps to perform titration like a pro. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about what titration is. Titration is a technique used to determine the concentration of an acid or base in a solution. By neutralizing it with a standard solution and using an indicator, we can figure out its concentration. This is super important in clinical chemistry, especially for things like measuring HCl in gastric juice. Alright, now for the equipment you'll need. An acid or alkali of known normality, an indicator like phenolphthalein, a burette, a beaker or flask, and a pipette. Got everything? Great. Let's get started with the procedure. Step 1. Pour a measured volume, V1, of your unknown solution into a beaker. Make sure you measure it accurately. Step 2. Add a few drops of 1% phenolphthalein indicator to the solution. This will help us see the color change when the reaction occurs. Step 3. Fill your burette up to the 0 mark with an alkaline solution of known normality, N2. Precision is key here. Step 4. Slowly add the alkaline solution drop by drop into the beaker. Keep mixing until the faint pink color of the phenolphthalein indicator persists even after thorough mixing. This means the reaction is complete. Step 5. Note the volume of alkali used, V2, to titrate the acid in the beaker. This is crucial for our calculations. Now let's move on to the calculation. To find the unknown normality, N1 of the acid, use this formula, N1V2, where N1 is the normality of the acid solution, unknown, V1 is the volume of the acid solution, N2 is the normality of the alkali, V2 is the volume of the alkali used. Plug in your values and solve for N1. And there you have it, you've determined the normality of your acid solution. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you do titrations, the more confident you'll become. So keep experimenting and honing your skills. That's it for today, folks. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more chemistry tips and tricks. Happy titrating!